What's the meaning of affair? Affair. 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 Affair is a French word that has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a legal case or lawsuit, a scandal or controversy, or an affair or romantic relationship. The word's meaning is determined by the situation in which it is used. However, regardless of its meaning, an affair typically involves some form of conflict, drama, or controversy. In short, affair generally refers to a complex and contentious situation that may involve public attention or legal action.